Hello guys, all back with me, Alia Frida. Hi guys, back with me. So, how are you guys? I hope you guys stay healthy, enjoy, and stay at home, of course. So guys, this video, I will share you about how to make. I will share and explain about how to make hamburgers. So before we move to the next video, don't forget, make sure you guys follow my Instagram and subscribe, like, comment this channel. Don't forget you guys tell the comment down below after you're watching this video. So let's start with the next video. On my video, this time I will make delicious and healthy hamburgers that are also easy to make at home. Make sure you make it correctly. Burger meat recipe. Burger is a type of food that comes from a board that combines several ingredients. Okay, first I will give you the ingredients before you make burger. The first one is 1 slice of cheese, 1 cucumber or zucchini, is like Japanese cucumber, 3 tomatoes in thinly sliced, 5 lettuce, 100 grams of mayonnaise, and you can add mustard if you like. Next is chili sauce according to taste, tomato sauce, 1 piece of patty meat, 1 onion slice, margarine for trying to taste, and burger bun manufacturer. It's like a burger bread. Okay. We next to the method of manufacture. The first is roasting process. The roasting process is clean the vegetables, namely tomatoes, cucumber, and lettuce. Prepare the grill to roast the patty, bread, and vegetables. The 3 is bed sufficient butter on the grill. The 4 is when it's hot, put patty meat, bread, and vegetables on the grill in medium fire. The 5 is do not forget to turn it over so it doesn't burn. And the last is remove patties, bread, and vegetables when browned or cooked. Okay. The last process is the burger preparation process. The first is spread the tomato sauce on the bottom of the bread and flatten according to taste. Second is bake the patty on top. Put mayonnaise sauce over the patty. 4 is put on roasted onions and then put cheese on top of the onion. And after that, give Japanese cucumber on top and put the lettuce on in too. And the last, put the sauce on top according to taste. The last process is serving session, is the plating. The first is prepare the plate for the burger, and the last but not least, put a little seasoning on top. So this is my tips how to make hamburger. So I will explain you definition procedure text. It's like how to make procedure text is a type of text in English that contains objective and step to create or do something related to these goals. The function of this text is to show how to do something through consecutive steps so that the reader can reach his goal. And the trait is, here are the characteristics of procedure text. First, using simple present tense, using connective of sequence like then, while, next, and so on. Using numbering, first, second, third, and so on. Using action verb, for example, turn, plug, put. And the last is using adverb, for example, slowly, correctly, and so on. So and I will share you about general structure procedure text. First is aim or goal, is like set in the title text and is used to indicate the purpose of the text. An example how to make burger, like me. The second is ingredients or materials, like contains the materials or tools required in the steps of carrying out the process. Example, the materials to make omelette are egg, onion, vegetable, oil, salt, and pepper, like that. And the last is step or method. Contains method or steps taken to achieve the goals in the text. So, yeah, we last in the video. So I will give you conclusion about this video. Procedure text is a type of text that describes how something can be created or used through a series of steps. The procedure text itself aims to provide introduction on the step, method, ways of creating, operating, or doing something. For example, like how to make a burger, which is popular with many people, a food in the form of raw bread that is sliced in half and in the middle is filled with a patty, which is usually taken from meat. The vegetables in the form of lettuce, tomatoes, and onions as a sauce burger are given various types of sauce such as mayonnaise, tomato sauce, and chili sauce, and mustard. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget you guys visiting my blog. I put link in down below. And thank you so much guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you next time in the video. Bye.